Alright, we're here with Taiwan National Cleanup Day at Jinshan. As you can see, it's a beautiful day for the beach clean. Let's get into it, huh? You know, most of the time we find a lot of plastic utensils, a lot of disposable stuff that's unnecessary. A lot of times we also find fishing equipment. Stuff's everywhere, man. The fishing industry here really contributes a lot to the pollution we find on the beach. It's quite a shame. I don't know if you can see all this. There's polystyrene, all these microplastics. Getting it done. We're about an hour or so in. Clean up a lot of trash. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. But man, it is hot. So hot. You don't need straws to drink anything. We're done. Over 110 kg in one day.